Muslim all over the UK performed first Juma Prayer after lockdown of almost 4 months. Al-Hira Masjid Green Street followed strict government SOP. At the first stage of the main door, management checked that everyone has masks worn and everyone should hold their own prayer mats. On second stage, people need to write and provide their contact number as per government track and trace policy of COVID-19. Peoples also need hands to sanitize and put shoes in shopping bag. No Wazoo allowed, and there was almost 2-meter gap between each mate.